Today I'm going to talk about Paystack, specifically Paystack. So now how to make your payment automatic, meaning although Paystack is automatic service, but if you don't include webhook, of course this is mobile app from what's it called? This is a mobile app from Apple 24. Of course you can see. So now we're going to talk about how to install webhook to make this thing work, because if there is no webhook, this app will not function. Let's say we want to add payment, so we want to add money into our app, into my balance, and I click on this amount to pay. You understand? I click on this amount to pay. Oh, sorry, I'm coming. Let me make it test. Let me make it for test. Okay, so I just refresh the app and enter again. Let's check something, and let me enter my prodigal son, the password. So let me go to this thing. Let me go to the service I use the one. Okay, so I now connect it. Here is the webhook. Look at how I connected this up one, this one, not the down one, or this particular thing you're seeing. Now, since that we are doing test, you understand? Since that this is on test, so we need to click execute. We need to click this execute icon here to make it ready for request from Paystack. You understand? So now let's click on the since I have now enabled the I have initiated the execution. So let me click on the 1000 and what's it called? Click on this amount and send. So now let's see something. Of course, you see, I think you see workflows executed successfully. So you will see that I will receive, I will receive email now. I just received email. Sneaks up account funding successful. You understand? Sneaks up account funding. Hey Samson, your account has been funded successfully with 1,100 naira. Kindly log into your SneakSwap app to confirm. Now let's go and log into the SneakSwap app now, so that we'll know if this money has reflected. Remember that it is 4,000 something now. So let's see. Have you seen it? This is something I just understand. Normally I supposed not to close that payment page. You understand? And if let's say maybe you can say Paystack can do it now. Paystack. What about this email I just received now? What about the email I just received now? You can see, hey Ghostam, this email is coming from what? n8n. You understand? So it's all about the integration. Like as I said, that is how we roll. That is how it works. But let me make it a production, so that I will not be coming here to be initiating every time users want to pay. So let me click on this link now and they open it. I'm using a mobile stuff. So if I make it a desktop, open in desktop, it will show all the page. So let me go, and I have just copied the URL. Okay, let me show you one thing I just copied now. This is the test. It was test before. So now this is the production URL. So I just copied this production URL now. So let's go to Paystack, so that the thing can be executed automatically without what's it called? Going to node n8n to go and execute. So now let me just save. I think I'm saving it. Let me check if it's safe. Okay, it's safe. Let me go, and we have added a production URL, production webhook URL. So let's see, because you can see now I don't execute anything. No, sorry. Now I don't execute anything. I did not execute anything. I don't need to come and click execute. Now it will be automatic, and you will not see this log here because everything is automatic. It's now on the production now, so you will not see any log again. So let's go and try to make payment again. Let me add another 1,000 so that you will see something has changed in the wallet. Okay, you understand? So if you refresh now, you see that something has changed in the wallet. Let's wait. If it's done, we will receive. Okay, something has changed now since we have received email. You can see the wallet has done, and here is the email coming from what? SneakSub. Another email coming from SneakSub. You can see email coming from SneakSub, the first one and the second one. You understand? So let's make another payment so that you will not say just maybe it's editing or I just want to click it. Let's add 3,000. This money is just switching to add because it's just a free money, and by the time I will make it, I will add the repayment now. Okay, let's wait. Please wait to you understand? This page now will receive it. You can see. So you will see another, what's it called? Another your account was funded successfully with amount 3,000 something. Kindly log into your SneakSub account and confirm it. So let's not talk too much. Here is how the thing goes. You understand? So here is how the stuff goes. First of all, from webhook, I think I've opened this webhook. Then come to function, which is the code. I use the code, JavaScript code. I have code here, so I can give you the code if you want. I can give you the code. You see, function node 1. Here is the code I use. I program this code, and the second node here is it. I can also give you instruction on how to place it. Here's the second node. That is it, bro, and everything just done. So that is it. You can see the money has just reflect. You can see the money is reflect. Remember that we just sweep this app from recent. Immediately the payment just succeed. This is just like immediately, like this is just like when users try to make a payment, call came in and everything. As long run, as far as the payment is successful, Paystack has seen it instantly. Your money you will still receive your money instantly. So that is how the stuff rolls.